Let's build a fountain pen. This is part 5 of 8 of my collaboration with Strongink, and today I'm going to build a fountain pen. The pen kit I'm using is a PKFT-6-G for gold. So the first thing I'm going to do is trim the blanks for the pen bushings. I've had a question from the previous video. Pen bushings, what are they and what are they used for? So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of a description on screen, and then that should give you a very good idea. In short, there is a big variety of pen bushings, and for each pen kit there's a different kind. It's used on the mandrel, and it will depend on the pen kit. When you do the turning, you rough it down to the pen bushings, and that will determine the shape of your pen. Okay, so let's move on and let's trim these. The fountain pen has 4 bushings, and they are different sizes, so your conventional trimmer doesn't fit. I have a whole set and none of them fit, but that is an easy fix. I've just been to the 3D printer and I've actually just made my insert sleeves. And there you go. Easy then to trim, which I'm going to do in a minute. And for the front piece. You place the insert and then do the trimming. There we go, trimming's done, came out nice. Very happy with that. Okay, let's get this on the mandrel and we can start turning. That's the bushings in place. Everything's ready for turning. Fountain pens always feel a bit more refined. Everything needs to be precise. Taking extra care of shaping this one. That's looking good. Let's do the final buff. Brilliant, approved, like it. And now it's time for assembly. Oh, this is exciting. Fitting the nib and the final parts. Look at that. Wow. That's the finished fountain pen. A really clean result with a gold finish. Amazing. I'll bring it in a bit closer. Wow. Look at the gold finish. Amazing. And those are the refills. The next pen in the series, part 6 of 8, I'm going to do a Strongink rollable pen kit, PKRB stroke free stroke G for gold. Pen blank is just about finished. If you enjoy this type of content, consider subscribing. And then for all your pen turners out there, enjoy your pen turning and your workshops. And until the next time, lekker lekker.